Hi everyone, this is Tishan from Redline Technologies, and today we'll be looking at the Razer Cynosa. Okay, so the Razer Cynosa Chroma multicolor gaming keyboard is Razer's first entry into the world of RGBness, that is 2017. So it's a basic membrane keyboard with individually backlit RGB keys. You can take a look at the box. This has a spill-resistant, durable design on this side. Individually I said that. That's okay. It's okay. And gaming grade keys. Basic. Let's get to the unboxing of this. Use my unboxing knife. And I don't need my unboxing knife because Razer has these handy dandy tabs on them. So all you have to do is just pull them out and put them in the appropriate dustbin that you should have, because that's how it should be. So apparently you need a knife because Razer messed up. Now I can't find my knife. So always have a knife handy. Alright, so it's the basic packaging of the keyboard. It's a keyboard and a wire, of course. And what else do you have? You get a putter, which tells you things, and Razer stickers, which improve gaming performance. Alright, so that's basically what is in the box. Razer's packaging is usually very well done. They have these rubber cable ties that keep your cable nice and neat, and annoying plastic that should only be used in crisp packets. Again, appropriate dustbin. Alrighty, so I'm going to plug this in. So the basic feel of the keyboard, just going to open up a blank page here because I don't want to delete any important documents. Tax files 2017. Basic feel of the keyboard feels like a regular membrane keyboard, but it has a very soft feel to it. Sound test. Not sure if you can pick that up. It's pretty good. And let's do a flex test. You can see that. Not a lot of flex to it at all, really. Built really well. What did it say at the back? It says, warning, typing in an awkward position for too long may cause repetitive stress or related injuries. Then why make a keyboard? Okay. That's about it. Now we'll go through the software. So the lighting effects can be controlled via Razer's Synapse software. It's called Razer Synapse 3. It's in beta. And some basic lighting effects are, you have spectrum cycling, that's what this is now. Then you have wave, it runs through all the colors. Then static and fire, I'm not sure what that is, but it's fire. Then you have reactive, which is pretty cool. And ripple. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's the basic overview of the Razer Cynosa Chroma, available at Redline Technologies for 10,000 rupees. We have some great content coming up in the future, so subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like us on Facebook for the latest product updates.